Entering Makkah Mukarramah. Once you've entered the ihram state and are saying the talbiyah and are headed to the Masjid al-Haram, all one should be doing is remembering Allah. The agitation one feels is a reminder that this life is like your journey to the sacred house. The condition of ihram are like the rules of the sharia that you follow in your normal life. Your goal isn't to stay in this state forever, but to meet the true king and plead your case in his court. Just like a person wishes to do on the day of judgment, so should they wish to do when arriving in the Masjid al-Haram from the directions of the horizons. Once he accepts you, you will be released from your ihram, and life will proceed comfortably in his generosity. But until that acceptance, you are in restlessness. People would spend weeks in this state. You will unlikely spend more than a few days, if not less than 24 hours. Don't waste it in chit chat or on the phone. What you came for is Hajj, and what you came for is Allah Ta'ala. When you arrive at your hotel, receive your hotel room, drop your things at the room, take a quick shower without soap or shampoo, run the water over your body, and perform wudu. It is recommended that a person at this time then proceed directly to the Masjid al-Haram without delay. If you are exhausted or ill, there is no harm in resting a little bit, but once you are able to, proceed to the magnified Kaaba directly. Don't watch TV, don't go shopping, don't see what halal Burger King tastes like. Just go straight to the house of Allah Ta'ala and plead your case in tawaf.